Hi, in this video we're going to show you how you can use ZapInfo to zap your applicants out of your hosted jobs on Indeed. So most of you have job postings in your hosted account on Indeed, and inside of all those jobs there's typically candidates or applicants. In the account I'm showing you, we've got some old data here, but you will likely be able to navigate to any part of the applicants that you want to zap. So whether you're doing that by job or by a search that you've done or putting them into different lists, any applicants that you can get on your screen, you'll be able to use ZapInfo to be able to zap those applicants along with their associated data and then get it out in several different ways over to your applicant tracking or CRM application. Now, when you have ZapInfo installed, it's in your Chrome browser up on the right-hand side. You can either click the Z button up on the top and you can say Zap in and extract from page here. Or what's great is ZapInfo is also right inside of your page. So once you start selecting applicants on the left here, you'll be able to see the ZapInfo extract, and if you have a connected ATS or CRM application, you'll be able to instantly push them over to your application from right within the applicant list view. So I'm going to go ahead and hit extract here, and you'll see that it gives me basically the list of people that I've selected from the particular page, and it has pulled them into what we call your Zap board. So you can kind of think of this as your temporary holding bin where your applicants will be. And inside of here, you're going to see that we attach the original resume of the candidate, their phone and email address if they have it, their address information. But most importantly, it's also taking the full resume, education, skills, and even if you've got pre-screener questions, all of that data will live inside of your Zap record so that you can then go ahead and say, select everybody. And then if you do, again, have a connected application, you can say push to Phenom People or Avature or Workday, pick the job that you want to send them into, and then hit push records. So this will go ahead and allow you to kind of connect your Indeed system to your ATS or CRM, making it that easy to be able to transfer applicants. Now you can also go ahead and just click on a candidate, and within the candidate record itself, you can also zap their information. So inside of this resume view, you can basically hit zap and extract record or zap into your dashboard, and you can pull them from here, or again, you can do it from the list view. Now, some of the other things that you can do if you don't have a connected system is you can go ahead and select people and actually export them out to a clipboard or to a spreadsheet if you want to keep track of them in that way. The other thing that you can do is you can go ahead and grab their resume or information and you can zap it out to a PDF document. So if you're a staffing or consulting kind of firm here, you can decide whether you want to show the contacts info, maybe your staffing firm's brand data and or information. If you want to put general info like the total years of experience and the top degree area. And you can decide if you want to put the Indeed tag in here. So there's a lot of great ways that you can use this to instantly create client presentable or hiring manager presentable profiles using the ZapInfo tool. So that's the quick overview on how you can zap all of your hosted applicants out of ZapInfo or out of Indeed and into your ATS or CRM application. Also, one last thing, if you want to use the drop-in method once you've zapped your applicants into your system, this is a method where if your system isn't API connected, you can still come in and say, I want to add a candidate, like in Smart Recruiters or a lot of these different applications. Then you just hit the Z button on the side and you hit zap into page. This will now allow you to take those records like we had done before, and I can just instantly push that candidate's record into those applications. It basically fills out all of the data so you don't have to manually copy and paste that information to place it within the mapped application, saving you, possibly hours of time each week and making sure that the full depth of any candidate's Indeed resume is going into your ATS or CRM application. So those are just two quick ways of either using our linked and API connections or using the Zap Maps to fill in your application and move your data from Indeed into your mapped application.